start with Saral Patel. Saral Patel, the finger is being pointed solely at the opposition. We understand you had an agenda. We understand that you have every right to bring out what you think is an anomaly or vote chori. Absolutely, you have the democratic right. But do you have any democratic right to disrupt parliament the way you have for the last 21 days? Look, आप अपना पैसा जहां खर्च करो, मुझको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But you are spending my money when you don't show up in parliament, or when you show up in parliament and do vote chori, vote chori, vote chori, and ensure that the southern gets thugit.
So, Shreya, आपका पैसा है, फर्क पड़ता है, it should affect you, but at the same time, the vote is also yours. And if your vote is stolen, every person has a constitutional right to their election, to the vote. And if that vote is being stolen, if that is being made irrelevant, then that is also an issue. Also, I would like to say that, you know, Prime Minister Modi called Rahul Gandhi insecure today.
Correct.
So I would like to put the pattern before you, and I would let you and your viewers judge who is actually insecure. So when 50-year-old Narendra Modi became Chief Minister of Gujarat, one of his very first move was to remove a 40-year-old bright and promising minister from his cabinet, and the entire country knows and remembers what eventually happened to that young leader. The lesser said, the better. Fast forward to 2014, Narendra Modi ji shoved all his senior leaders of the party, whether it's Lal Krishna Advani ji, Murli Manohar Joshi ji, were pushed into so-called Margdarshak Mandal. Whether a single meeting of that Mandal has happened or not, we don't know. The pattern is unmistakable: insecurity towards seniors and fear of rivals. And only yes men survive, and they are also dispensable the moment they fall out of line, as we saw with Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar ji. Now contrast it with Rahul Gandhi. He is the leader who replaced nomination with internal elections in Youth Congress and NSUI. He opened the doors of millions of the party for the millions of young Indians. I myself am a proof of that. I am a first generation politician sitting here representing my party because of the space Rahul Gandhi created. In 2019, when he resigned as Congress president, and Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji won through an open election, the kind of respect, immense respect and admiration Shri Rahul Gandhi ji has for Kharge ji is unmistakable. Okay. In Congress party, senior leaders are respected, juniors are nurtured. In BJP, seniors are retired and juniors are sidelined. Only one man's writ runs large. So
Saral
who is
Patel
actually insecure? Can the nation can see that?
I think you've made your point, Saral Patel, but it's not as Saral. Before I go to the BJP spokesperson, here's my counter question to you. You're saying that the Prime Minister is insecure, therefore he is calling Rahul Gandhi insecure. Now, why is the Prime Minister saying that Rahul Gandhi is insecure? He's saying that Rahul Gandhi essentially, I'm just paraphrasing this, that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party are intentionally, by design, disrupting parliament because they don't want their young leaders to speak. The Prime Minister is actually praising your young leaders and saying, Dekho, there is a lot of talent in the Congress party. But these people, these young MPs are being denied the opportunity to speak on the floor of the House simply because one parivar is insecure. They don't want any other leader to outshine Rahul Gandhi. Baat to sahi, I don't know whether the Prime Minister's analysis is sahi or not, Saral, but the fact is that your own young leaders are not getting an opportunity to speak because you don't let the House function.
Shreya, when the parliament session started, the opposition demanded that let there be a debate on Operation Sindoor. The government kept running away from that debate and said that, it will happen next week. And then next week, Prime Minister Modi was traveling. So they said, let Modi ji come and then we'll have a debate on the... So Prime Minister wants to have a debate not on the pressing issues of the country. They want to have a debate on the irrelevant issues. So that is why the young leaders...
The gaming bill was irrelevant. The POTS bill is irrelevant.
So is debate on Operation Sindoor...
But Operation Sindoor pe to debate hui na, Saral.
Voter chori, the SIR on Bihar. Did the debate happen on SIR in Bihar? No, it didn't. So Prime Minister is running away because he knows that he has lost the narrative and he is wrong. That's why he's running away.
I will let RP Singh respond to that. RP Singh, please respond.
Shreya, I'm shocked you never stopped a man when he said debate on Operation Sindoor is irrelevant. He said it's irrelevant debate. That's why it didn't happen. I mean,
I did
that's
not
why
say it's
the
irrelevant.
Prime Minister
I
didn't wanted
want
that to happen.
irrelevant
And shocking.
issues.
Sir, you just now said that. Let's. I never interrupted you.
Let viewers
Sir, that's not the
know,
way
let
to
viewers
debate. I never interrupted the man. I mean, he was on with us all.
बोलिए
Yes, let you judge
बोलिए
it.
आरपी सिंह, go
But
ahead please.
fact is that they are not. वो SIR पे डिबेट चाहते हैं जबकि SIR is sub judice. One, secondly, SIR is not within the purview of the parliament. Two, and why they want to debate on them? Why they are creating this narrative? Because they know they are losing election in Bihar bad. And I'll just show you one video which will clarify everything. Here it is.
तो इंटर में चले सरकारी में पहले से बहुत अच्छे बेहतर हैं।
हाँ।
पहले से बेहतर हैं।
क्या क्या सीखते हैं उसमें?
उसमें कंप्यूटर भी है उन लोगों के लिए और कंप्यूटर है और उसको उनको किताब भी मिलता है
नहीं
और साइकिल का पैसा मिलता है।
हिंदी, अंग्रेजी?
हाँ,
अंग्रेजी सीखते हैं?
एक सेकंड this was a properly managed thing, but even in that a lady said that there's a good education in school, everything is very well, English is being taught, there are computers, children get bicycle. So he could well understand that what is exactly happening on ground, and then that's why all this halla gulla of SIR. And then now they have said SIR ठीक है, but SIR में जो तरीका है वो ठीक नहीं है. Man, shocking. For that SIR, they are not allowing that parliament to function, and on ground they are outside they are saying press conference, doing press conference saying SIR ठीक है, but the way it's being conducted is not good. But what is the issue with SIR? Let's discuss that also.
नहीं आरपी सिंह जी, आज today is not SIR's day. No, आरपी सिंह जी, today is not SIR's day. Today is Parliament's day. The fact that the monsoon session has ended today.
Parliament to function. Why didn't they allow?
तो मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही हूँ, चलिए आरपी सिंह जी सुनिए, सवाल तो सुन लीजिए. अरे आप तो मेरे पुराने दोस्त हैं, सवाल तो सुन लीजिए आरपी सिंह जी. मेरा सवाल is very simple. My सवाल to you is this: even if SIR and vote chori is the bahana that the opposition is presenting because they know that they are going to lose the Bihar elections, what was the problem if the government said, okay, we are allocating 2 hours? The session was for 21 days. It had 160 plus hours. If out of those 160 plus hours, what was the problem if for 2 hours, both houses of parliament discussed SIR and this so-called vote chori? Problem kya hai?
Okay. Shreya, just recently, big, beautiful bill was passed by the American Parliament. Oh, let's discuss that in the Parliament. We can't discuss that because that's not part of the Indian Parliament. That's not part of the Indian Parliament domain.
So you have to allow me 10 seconds.
SIR is not part of the domain of the Indian Parliament. But please, वो Indian Parliament के domain में नहीं आता. And also, this matter is still sub judice. They are contesting that in court, and they have got the summary from the court on the complete matter. So they can keep rattling that. The reason is SIR is not the issue. Issue is to build up narrative against the constitutional body of the country, whether it is army, when they belittle the Indian army chief by saying Sadak ka gunta, whether it is Supreme Court, when Priyanka Vadra says how dare Supreme Court questions my brother's integrity or nationalism, or now whether it is the Election Commission. Objective is that we are privileged, we are entitled, so things should happen as per us, or is my way or highway. That's the actual game plan.
Okay,
and they are trying to build up unrest because they know they can't boot out Modi ji through vote. That's how try to build up some sort of unrest in country. The leader is on record saying कि Bangladesh ऐसा माहौल खड़ा होगा.
Okay, so you're essentially saying what Rahul Gandhi and company and the India bloc are trying to do is create anarchy, first by completely disrupting and paralyzing parliament, and then taking this so-called anarchy to the streets of Bihar and the rest of the country. In any case, Rahul Gandhi has said, jo aag lag gayi hai, wo bujhegi nahi, right, Saral? Before I go to Saral and before I go to Udayji as well, I just want to say one thing, RP Singh. As far as the Supreme Court is concerned and as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, no one in this country, no institution in this country has a right to give a certificate of patriotism to any individual, forget the leader of opposition. So if Priyanka Gandhi says, who was the Supreme Court to question my brother's commitment to this country, or